Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wise app. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Wise app and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Wise. If you find updates, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.